This is the section where we show where we are located to our user. You can use a more suggestive image where you have the explicitly pinpoint to where you are, but for this project I've selected this image of map. Without further ado, let's go to our code and collapse the section. Here we are. Next, what we have is section. The class is section find us, or where we at. I actually prefer to call find us. Nice. And here what are we gonna have is simply the start, which is this one. So let's just copy it and place right here. Here we have. Here we can simply say where we at and a question mark. Div, let's simply say find us map. And we're gonna be placing that image inside of this div. We don't have a content, so let's simply start formatting it. This is not going to be a component, so let's go directly to our home, because this is gonna be simply in the home page, and start saying section find us. Here we can start with the padding, which is gonna be in the vertical 50 pixels and 0. Well, we have to give a width where we're going to be placing these two elements. The container, which is this one, is gonna have 80% and it's gonna be with the margin auto, and this one is really centered with this below div. So for that we can simply create a div here and say class, this is gonna be section find us. I can actually say what's coming next. Yes. And here I'm gonna simply copy and paste this all. Here on next, I'm gonna give a width of 80% and I'm gonna say margin. This one is gonna be auto. Saving and seeing what we have. Where we at. Very good. We simply have the find us map, and now we simply have to define a height. I'm going to simply put 85% of the viewport height. I'm gonna put the background image, which is located right here. Let's go back up a level, one more level. It's inside of my image folder. This is the home, the map, and this is the one. After that, we're gonna say the background size. Let's set it to cover. The background position, we're gonna center. And let's actually give a box shadow, which is gonna be 0.5 rem, 3 rem, RGBA, color black, 50%. Here I have where we at. It was easy to build this part and we are done, so we can move to the next lecture and you know where to leave any question.